Hello everyone, welcome to Edwin. In this video we'll learn how to drop a database, that is, how to delete a database. As you can see here is the database that we had created in the last video. So we'll see how to delete this. First, leave a click on New Query. Type drop database. Drop means delete, so you're using the word drop instead of delete. So you are actually using this keyword drop database, and you type the database name, which is my first database. Yeah. After you type drop database, my first database, click on execute. As you can see, it's successfully done. It's showing command completed successfully. Now if you can check here under databases, you can see that the database with the name my first database has disappeared. So this is one way of doing it. Now let us create it once again. I have created the database once again, that is create database, my first database once again, so that I can delete it in another way. So all you have to do is come here. Firstly, click on databases, click refresh. So that will be refreshed with all the new databases. And click this. And as you can see here, you can already see your your database with the name my first database. Okay. Now we'll click on the database, right click, which you want to delete, and select delete. As you can see here, all you have to do is select close existing collections. That is, if the database is open with one or more number of users, then you will get an error stating something like a database is in use. So that is the reason you close all the existing connections and then click OK. Now as you can see here, the database has disappeared. You can also use the query to close all connections. To set it to single user mode. And also you use rollback immediate, that we will learn in further videos. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet in our next video. Have a great time ahead.